Rain, a simple word, yet it evokes a universe of sensations. The soft patter on leaves, the drumming on rooftops, the earthy scent released from parched ground. Rain is the lifeblood of our planet, a source of endless fascination and fundamental importance. From the tiniest seed to the mightiest river, life on Earth dances to the rhythm of rain. For millennia, humans have gazed at the sky, seeking meaning in the patterns of clouds and the promise of rain. We have built our lives around its cycles, planting and harvesting, seeking shelter and celebrating its arrival. Rain connects us to the natural world in a primal way, reminding us of our dependence on the delicate balance of Earth's systems. Understanding rain is about more than just knowing how it forms. It's about appreciating its power to sustain and destroy, to shape landscapes and nourish life. It's about recognizing the intricate web of connections that rain reveals, linking the atmosphere, oceans and land in a continuous life-giving cycle. This essay is a journey into the heart of rain. It's a closer look at the science behind this everyday miracle and an exploration of its profound impact on our planet and ourselves. Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of rain, from the birth of a single raindrop to its far-reaching consequences for life on Earth. Rain doesn't simply appear out of thin air, it's part of a continuous dynamic process called the water cycle. This cycle links the Earth's oceans, atmosphere and land in a perpetual dance of water in its various forms, liquid, vapor and ice. The journey begins with the sun. Its energy warms the surface of oceans, lakes and rivers, causing water to evaporate and transform into invisible vapor. This vapor, lighter than air, rises into the atmosphere. As the vapor ascends, it encounters cooler temperatures. The cooling causes the vapor to condense around microscopic particles in the air, such as dust or pollen. These tiny droplets of condensed water then clump together, forming clouds. Clouds, those ever-shifting sculptures in the sky, are vast collections of these water droplets or ice crystals, depending on the altitude and temperature. They act as the atmosphere's water carriers, transporting moisture across the globe driven by winds and air currents. The formation of a raindrop within a cloud is a marvel of physics. It begins with those tiny condensed water droplets suspended in the air. These droplets are constantly in motion, colliding and merging with their neighbors. As these collisions continue, the droplets grow larger and heavier. When a droplet becomes too heavy to stay aloft, gravity takes over and it begins its descent as rain. The average raindrop we see contains millions of these tiny cloud droplets. Raindrops are not tear-shaped as often depicted. Instead, they resemble tiny hamburger buns or flattened spheres due to air resistance as they fall. The size of a raindrop can vary greatly, from a fine mist barely perceptible to large, heavy drops that plummet to the ground. The speed at which raindrops fall also varies, depending on their size and wind conditions. A typical raindrop falls at a speed of around 7 miles per hour. However, larger raindrops can reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. Rain is the elixir of life, the vital force that sustains ecosystems and enables human civilization to thrive. Its importance is most evident in agriculture, where rain provides the essential water needed for crops to grow. From the vast fields of wheat to the delicate blossoms of fruit trees, plants depend on rain to absorb nutrients from the soil and carry them upward to fuel their growth. Without rain, our fields would wither, our harvests would fail, and our food supply would be in jeopardy. Rain also replenishes our rivers, lakes and aquifers, the sources of fresh water essential for drinking, sanitation and industry. It nourishes wetlands, those vital ecosystems that act as natural filters, purifying water and providing habitat for a rich diversity of species. Beyond its direct contributions to agriculture and water resources, rain also plays a crucial role in cleaning our air. As raindrops fall through the atmosphere, they capture and remove pollutants such as dust, smoke and pollen. This natural cleansing process improves air quality, benefiting both human health and the environment. While rain is essential for life, its power can also be destructive. When rain falls too heavily or for prolonged periods, it can overwhelm drainage systems, leading to flooding. Floods can cause widespread damage, inundating homes and businesses, destroying crops and displacing communities. They can also pose serious risks to human life and disrupt transportation systems, cutting off access to essential goods and services. In addition to flooding, heavy rain can also lead to soil erosion. Raindrops striking bare soil can dislodge soil particles, carrying them away and depleting the land's fertility. Erosion can damage agricultural land, reduce crop yields, and contribute to water pollution as sediment washes into rivers and lakes.